Ang taas agad yun.
Ate, may payat kami na dito. Ano pa dapat?
Steam pala.
Hindi pa. Safe tayo. Hindi, kahit makasubo man lang onto taas.
Parang si Gas, pero liit lang yan. Yan pa lang.
Ayan tita, alam mo na kung saan. Alam nyo na kung saan talaga.
Wala ko ito yan.
Jabel, pahawak naman ka para. Ayan o, pataas na yung usok. Sino nag-war? Yung sulfur. Pag may narinig na yung sound, yun na yun. Pag medyo pa earthquake, yun na yun. Tignan niyo po, yan po yung view dito. Umuusok na po ang Taal Volcano. Ngayon po yan. Today is October 20th and it's 1:42 in the afternoon. So we're having lunch with my family here. Yeah. My family and relatives, and then yeah. So Taal Volcano is releasing some smoke, white smoke, and it's going up. And now it's like we're having a drizzle. That's it. So that is the Taal Volcano over there, and not this one. Alright? Jaggers Vlog, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Threads, and X. Goodbye!